So the Insight Ultra Thin Second Skin Foundation has been the most reviewed and loved by all YouTubers. There are only 4 shades of the foundation and I got the shade number 4, Warm Nude. It comes in a glass bottle with a glass dropper and has 20 ml of the product. So in the website, this foundation is said to suit medium skin tone with neutral undertones. This foundation retails for 166 rupees, which is actually a bargain. It can be used as a skin tint when used in less amount, and on layering it up, it provides medium to full coverage. It has a matte effect with some dewiness, and the skin does feel moisturized after application. It feels soft to touch too, and there is a slight shine to it. It claims to be waterproof, but it is not. Next, I bought the Powder Puff Compact and Concealer in the shade Silkworm. I just love the aesthetic of this product. It is a plastic round container, but when you open the lid, you can see the concealer in a cute round package. And when I lift that, there is the compact powder. But that is not the best part yet. Under the compact powder is the mirror and puff, which I think is cool. I get 3 products for 181 rupees. This product comes in 4 shades and choosing a correct shade was not easy feat. I chose this product since it is mentioned that it would suit all the skin tones. Now let's talk in depth about each product. The compact powder glides easily and gives a flawless finish. It does not make the foundation or concealer cakey. It gives the skin a soft matte look with a slight glowy finish. The compact powder contains SPF 24. Also, there is a powder puff which is an okay product. Now let me be frank. I like the concealer more than the powder. It has a creamy formula that covers all the blemishes and it's a blessing for dry skin girls. The product was a lighter shade than my complexion, but when I applied over the blemishes, it literally merged with the foundation. A small amount of the product goes a long way. It does not make the makeup look cakey and can be easily set with a compact or translucent powder. The next item is this 2-in-1 duo stick. It is a contour highlighter combo for 185 rupees, which is a steal for the quality of this product, especially the highlighter. Now this product weighs 8.5 grams in total. It comes in a plastic packaging and the product is retractable. This comes in 3 shades, caramel, chocolate and coffee. But I got the shade caramel, which is a little light for me. Now the contour stick is creamy, easily blendable and sculpts your face beautifully. But it is the highlighter which steals the show. Look at this beauty. I got a champagne color and this has the power of stopping the traffic. A little goes a long way. It adds a perfect glow and radiance to complete your makeup. It is a product which is too good to be sold for 185 rupees. The next is this metallic glitter eyeshadow. This is in the shade number 10 Galaxy, which is a light greyish blue color and retails for 171 rupees. It comes in a glass bottle with a doe foot applicator. It contains 4 ml of the product and there are totally 12 shades in this product range. It is a liquid shimmery and lightweight eyeshadow. I feel it is a little easier to layer on using a brush instead of your fingers. When applying with the fingers, there are chances of it balling up slightly. The last product is this Mini Power Matte Lip Color in the shade 01 Joy. It comes in a glass bottle with a doe foot applicator and retails for 90 rupees. There are totally 24 shades in this product range. This color is a brownish color and suits all skin complexions. It is richly pigmented, matte and has a moisturizing effect and is even waterproof. It gives a wonderful color payoff in one swipe. The smell is a little funny but not overpowering or disgusting. So let me tell you my final thoughts on this brand. There are both pros and cons, which is normal for any brand. Not everyone will like your product. There will always be someone who will have some issue with the product. So these are just my views. Let me start with the good stuff. As an Indian brand, it provides cosmetics which are highly affordable without compromising the quality. Most of the products are paraben free, which is something a lot of consumers look for nowadays. I do like the product packaging, but I hope that the brand will change some of its plastic packaging options to a more sustainable form in the future. Now for the cons. The only problem I have with this brand is its foundation shade. In a country like ours, where we range from extreme fairness to different shades of brown, having only 4 shades and not even one out of those 4 for tan skin is like saying you don't want to include them in your brand. This is a brand where people are willing to buy the products because of its quality, and to put out just 4 shades for them to choose from will ultimately lead to the downfall of a brand. A lot of other brands are being accepted because of their effectiveness in being shade inclusive, even though they are highly priced. Even an upcoming brand like Cuffs and Lashes has made it a point to listen to people and include various skin shades. As a brand that has been in the makeup industry for eons, I cannot exert how important it is to include multiple shades for a product that has the capacity to sell like hot fire. So this is my personal opinion about this brand. If you like the video, click the thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested. Until we see the next time, bye.